Hello student, I'm Veena Dixit. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video with your friend. All the best. We will discuss here resonance structure of acetic acid, acetyl chloride and acetamide. IUPAC naming of acetic acid, you know, ethanoic acid. Acetyl chloride is known as ethanoyl chloride and acetamide is known as ethanamide. So first we'll go for the acetic acid. CH3, C double bond O and OH. This O, which is bonded with carbon and hydrogen, carry two lone pair of electron, and this carbon and oxygen double bonded oxygen carry also two lone pair of electron, and oxygen is more electronegative, so attract shared pair of electron towards itself, so it will get negative charge, and I will make here negative charge because these electron pair shifted to pi electron moves towards the oxygen. Now this, since this carbon become electrophilic, so lone pair of electron from this oxygen is moving towards the between carbon and oxygen and making double bond over here. And now since there is three bonds, carbon oxygen double bond and oxygen hydrogen bond, that is why this oxygen is carrying positive charge. So which will be major contributor? This will be major contributor. Why? Because there is no charge separation, and secondly 2p orbital of carbon which is in resonance with the 2p orbital of oxygen's a lone pair of electrons are present in 2p orbital. Okay, so they are same size, that is why effective overlapping will take place and there will be good conjugation. So no charge separation, so major contributor. In this case there is positive charge in this oxygen and negative charge in this oxygen. There is charge distribution, so it is minor contributor. Okay, now here CH3 CO Cl, and secondly this oxygen is electronegative and carry positive charge. This also makes it less contributor. Now CH3 CO Cl, here see here 2p orbital of carbon will overlap with the 3 of carbon will overlap with 3p orbital of Cl. So it is not that much major overlapping, but still there is resonance between them. Oxygen is more electron negative than chlorine, so attract shared pair of electron towards itself, and then this oxygen carry negative charge because this pi electron moves towards the oxygen, so oxygen carry one negative charge. Now this lone pair of electron from Cl will move towards between carbon and chlorine, making double bond. So it is negligible contributor because Cl is electronegative and carry positive charge. There is charge separation. Okay, so this is major contributor, no charge separation. This is minor. Here again this is major contributor acetamide because there is no resonance here, no positive negative charge, but since oxygen more electronegative can attract shared pair of electron getting negative charge, then lone pair of electron from nitrogen is bond